Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's our topic is trick to find out percentage of ionic and percentage of covalent character in a given molecule. Now let's start the session. If we can given a molecule, then we can find out the percentage of ionic and percentage of covalent character. Percentage of ionic character is directly proportional to the electronegativity difference. That is, more is the electronegativity difference, more is the percentage of ionic character. That is, Xa minus Xb is the electronegativity difference between two atoms. Here condition is that if A electronegativity difference is 0, that is electronegativity difference between two atoms are 0. Suppose AA, it consists of a 2 and 2 electronegativity. Then electronegativity difference is the 0. Then these molecules are 100% covalent character. Bond between these molecules are non-polar bond because electronegativity difference is 0. Means same electronegativity है तो 100% covalent character and this bond is a non-polar bonds because electrons can be equally shared. If A and B and electronegativity difference between these two atoms are 1.7. If electronegativity difference between this A and B is 1.7, then these molecules are 50% ionic and 50% covalent character. Third condition है, if A and B electronegativity difference is more than 1.7. अगर A and B में से electronegativity difference is more than 1.7 है, then more than 50% character and less than 50% covalent character. If A and B का electronegativity difference more than 1.7 है तो उसमें 50% से ज़्यादा ionic character होगा and 50% से less क्या होगा, covalent character. That is, these molecules are the ionic in nature. If A and B electronegativity difference is less than 1.7. अगर electronegativity difference between two atoms are less than 1.7, then more is the 50% covalent and less is the 50% ionic. Means उसमें 50% से ज़्यादा कौन सा कैरेक्टर होगा, covalent कैरेक्टर होगा and 50% से कम कौन सा होगा, ionic कैरेक्टर. मेजोरिटी किसकी ज़्यादा है, more than 50% कोवैलेंट. तो ये मॉलिक्यूल्स जो होगा वो कोवैलेंट नेचर शोज करेगा एंड लेस आयोनिक कैरेक्टर शोज करेगा. तो मैं परसेंटेज ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स अगर फाइंड आउट करना है, इफ Xa एंड Xb दैट इज इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू एटम्स अगर हमें दिया है तो हम इजीली परसेंटेज ऑफ आयोनिक कैरेक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमारे पास एक फॉर्मूला है 16 Xa minus Xb प्लस 3.5 into Xa minus Xb bracket square. Xa and Xb are the electronegativity difference between two atoms and percentage of covalent character can be find out 100 minus percentage of ionic character. अगर 100 में से हम ionic character को subtract करेंगे then it is give the percentage of covalent character. For example लेते HF molecules में कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर मोर है या आयोनिक कैरेक्टर मोर है. तो HF में Xa माइनस Xb का इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस दिया है 2. इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू एटम्स हाइड्रोजन एंड फ्लोरीन इज 2. देन परसेंटेज ऑफ आयोनिक कैरेक्टर इज इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला है 16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय Xa माइनस Xb इज द 2 प्लस 3.5 into Xa minus Xb square 2 square that is 32 plus 2 का square 4 that is 3.5 into 4 that is 32 plus 3.5 into 4 करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा डायरेक्टली 14 and 32 plus 14 is the 46%. Means HF contain 46% ionic character and we can find out the covalent character. Then percentage of covalent character is equal to 100 minus percentage of ionic character. Therefore 100 minus percentage of ionic character is the 46% that is 54% is the covalent character and 46% is the ionic character. Means HF molecules में 46% ionic character होगा and 54% covalent character. Majority किसकी ज़्यादा है? Majority covalent character की ज़्यादा है. Hence HF molecule is the covalent in nature. From this trick we can solve the MCQ. Now first MCQ है the electronegativity of hydrogen and chlorine are. Electronegativity of hydrogen is 2.1 and that of chlorine is 3.0. Then correct statement about the nature of HCl bond is. We can find out the ionic character of HCl. Now हाइड्रोजन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी दी है 2.1, क्लोरीन की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी है 3.0. वी कैन फाइंड आउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू, दैट इज 3.0 माइनस 2.1. 3.0 माइनस 2.1 इज द दैट इज 0.9. फॉर्मूला है परसेंटेज ऑफ आयोनिक कैरेक्टर. Percentage of ionic character is equal to 16 multiplied by XA minus XB plus 3.5 into XA minus XB bracket square. Now 16 into difference is 0.9 plus 3.5 into 0.9 bracket square, that is 16 nines are 144, that is 14.4 plus 3.5 into 9 का square है 81, that is 0.81. 14.4 plus 3.5 into 0.81 की multiplication करेंगे, that is 2.835 and addition of this is the 17.235%, that is 17%. That is answer of this question is option number first, that is 17% ionic because it contains 17% ionic. The electronegativity difference between two atoms is 0.5. Then find out the percentage of covalent कैरेक्टर्स. तो हमें परसेंटेज ऑफ कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है. तो फर्स्ट हमें परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना होगा, फिर 100 माइनस परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर करेंगे तो परसेंटेज ऑफ कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर हमें मिल जाएगा. तो हम फर्स्ट आयनिक कैरेक्टर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. परसेंटेज ऑफ आयनिक कैरेक्टर इज इक्वल टू फॉर्मूला है 16 इंटू XA माइनस XB प्लस 3.5 इंटू XA minus XB bracket square. Here 16 into XA minus XB difference दिया है 0.5 plus 3.5 into 0.5 bracket square, that is 16 5s are 8.0 plus 3.5 into 5 का square है 0.25, that is 8.0 plus 3.5 into 0.25 करेंगे तो यह आ जाएगा 0.875 and addition of this is the 8.875, that is near about 9%. That is percentage of ionic character is the 9%. We can find out the percentage of covalent character. Covalent character means 100 minus percentage of ionic character, that is 100 minus 9 is the 91%, that is 91% covalent character, that is option B is our right answer. Next question solve करते हैं. For the formation of covalent bond, the difference in the value of electronegativities should be. तो कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन करने के लिए विच इज द इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू एटम्स. तो हमने यहाँ पे मैंने कंडीशन बताई कि 50% कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर एंड मोर देन 50% कोवैलेंट कैरेक्टर्स कब होगा? व्हेन इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 1.7 एंड इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस इज लेस देन 1.7. दिस बोथ कंडीशन द मॉलिक्यूल, this both condition formation of bond is the covalent bond, that is equal to or less than 1.7, that is option first is our right answer. In this condition the bond is the covalent bond. In this way we can easily find out the percentage of ionic and percentage of covalent character by using this simple trick and I hope you like this video. Then please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.